we are going to blend our lye water in with our oils. Alright, we are going to separate it into 4 colors. We are using Bird of Paradise from Nature's Garden. The main color in the soap is going to be Grape Knee High by Mad Micas. And then we have Aphrodite Blue by Mad Micas as well. And Mint Julep from Mad Micas. And Koi, also from Mad Micas, which is a beautiful orange. And this fragrance oil does accelerate a little bit, so I'm going to mix the side colors, accent colors by hand. All right, now we're going to mix up the purple. Fast, but this is such a wonderful. And in with the blue. And for the last one, back in with all the orange. All right, we are going to swirl this. All right, we're gonna let it sit up and do our soap frosting. All right, we are back to pipe the frosting on this soap. And here we go. And then we're also going to add some hollow from Mad Micas called Into the Mystic. And I'm going to stick one back here for the sample bar. And here we are for the close-up. So we'll be back in 24 to 48 hours to cut it.